Summer is coming. We all like to have nice sun visors, so that's why we got this holder for the sun visor. So I have both left and right side for the Mercedes-Benz. Nothing special about this, except the original one has this plunger cloned in metal, so I'm really going to be interested to see how it will work out. So let's disassemble the cosmetic window and let's get back to the working table. Okay, so we will be removing the cosmetic trim assembly. Step 1, remove this bolt. Bolt removed. Step 2, put this out, pull it the further as possible. Gently unplug this one because it has a hook behind it. So there's the hook. This one is, by the way, compliments of Octo Classic as well. To remove this screw as well, but be careful when you will remove this screw. More or less, there's one plastic dongle holding this together. Use both arms, so hold the assembly with one arm and unscrew with the second arm. So I will have to put down the phone because I don't have 3 arms. Okay, so the bolt was removed and this is what I was talking about. There's a plunger in here going up and holding this assembly inside. So what we're going to replace today is this, which you can see is already broken a bit. So let's go to the table. Okay, so basically the only one thing which we have to do here is to remove the safety pin from this metal part. So you have probably 2 ways of doing it. Either to try to untighten each or at least 2 of the tongues, or go in and spring it out. In any case, have protection goggles. Complementary product of Octo Classic is this as well, and 1, 2 and the back side. So Octo Classic producing this one, and the back side looks 100% original with the relief function as well here. So in order not to lengthen this video, I will be doing my way of trying to spring it out and I'll get back to you then. So but use protection goggles in any case, whatever you will be doing here. Okay, so basically, now I can tell you what I did was, go around and around gently with the flat head, and it kind of didn't even pop off, it just kind of went back nicely. So let's replace this. Let's put this in. We have some let's just compare this. It's a bit higher, but I think we will be able to do this. Yeah, it will be able it for you. You have to just not to push it down on various points and it will lock in as it just did. I'm really lucky today, to be honest. Okay, so just go around. You can maybe get a ratchet and just gently push inside here down. I did this once already in the past, so it went well. Okay, we're good to go. It's true that this is a bit shorter from the original one, but if it works, it's holding, it's moving up and down. So the safety pin is moving with the assembly, which is correct because it means that it's safely tucked in. No going anywhere. And one thing I noticed as a difference is that The Octo Classic one has a groove here. The original one didn't have it. So based on that, I am thinking that that's why the original ones go crack. You know, it should be straight, but it cracked in here. So probably they did a bit of R&D. So let's look. You know, there's a crack here. So yeah, 2 screws, installation. So the installation of the cosmetic window. So you have to catch this hole inside, push it up, and then firstly we connect the left screw. Because I need 2 hands, I will do it and show you later. Okay, it's aligned. So the black screw goes in this hole. There's actually a nice solution because the holder is holding up the assembly by itself. Do not over tighten it, do not kill it with force. Okay, so that's done. We push this one here, we close the mirror to its fixed position almost, and we go inside like this. Try to catch the hole. Get the screw. And screw it in. Do not overdo it. So when it's firm enough, that's that.